Yo, hello everyone, and welcome back to a brand new video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to update your Nvidia drivers in Windows 10. First of all, guys, I will need you to go ahead and open your Nvidia platform. So go ahead and go to Nvidia settings from here, or simply go open Windows and search for Nvidia app. As you can see, it should open something like this. From here, all you need to do is to simply go to drivers from here, and from here you have to click on download for any new drivers. In case you want to check for drivers, simply click on check for the updates from here, and it will check for any new drivers in case you have updated it to the newest version. Also guys, it is very highly recommended that you go to settings and simply turn on the automatically update drivers from here, so you can go ahead and make sure that each time your drivers are basically downloaded or updated, they will automatically be downloaded on your PC by checking this box. Now there is another method, which is simply by clicking on here on your desktop and go to Nvidia control panel. This will open this window that should be open in a few seconds. Sometimes it's lags, sometimes it glitches, and for me it's open in my second screen. Let me just drag it here, and this is it. Now you could go in help and simply go to system information. From there, it will open this page for you, and you can check your Nvidia GeForce, which is the item that you have, and simply the driver version. In case you would like to download the updates from their website, you simply have to open this website, which is called Nvidia GeForce drivers, and simply go here to manual driver search and simply search for your driver type. For example, for me GeForce, and for me it's RTX 30 series, and from here I would simply search for any new driver possible. So this is how it works, and once you're done, click on start search, and they will search for the newest update possible on the internet, and then you can simply download it and they will update automatically your drivers. That was it for today's video. If you would like to see more videos like this, make sure to drop a like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.